Make your site a little bit larger if you can. Put all the numbers or as much numbers so you don't get lost within the site. This time I'm going to start with the larger, the higher plateau, higher location of the contour lines. I go to Massing, Topo Surface. I want to start with this area. It's 280. I'm going to click this one and then just go to 280 feet. So I place my 280 feet right along here. So I'm just going to go around here really quick, not fuss about it, just do my 280 right around here. And the more points you put, the easier it's going to be for you later on to modify. If you want, you can just make some points here. You can see how you can actually get it to do what you would like it to do. And later on, you can actually change and modify. So then I'm going to go to 270. 270 is right there. I'm just going to mark 270. It's right over here. Notice I'm over here. I'm just going to mark 270. It's right there. I'm going to go around with my 270. Go around 270 right here. And if you work systematically with each one of these, it's going to be a little bit easier if you just simply worked with 270. Little bit more careful. Now my 270 makes a round over here, and I'm going to clean it up in a little bit, and you will see how I would clean it up. I'm going to go around here, and suddenly I can no longer see 270. Here I can't see it, so I'm just going to come back here, and it's a little bit hard to see. You may decide to just turn on the wireframe so you can actually see the 270. It's right here, 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 back. And my 270 goes like this. And you come back and modify this in a little bit. Now your 270 also goes around here. And it looks a little crazy until you start putting 260. Okay, so I'm just going to go with 260 in a second. So my 260 is right here. Okay, so I'm going to go with my 260. It's right here. And it looks crazy at first. Give it a little bit of time. Don't panic yet. All right, so I'm just going to go with 260. And if you put the wrong number, you can always go back and change. But if you put dramatically wrong number, it's going to go blank, or it's not going to do what you want it to do. So be a little bit more hesitant with changing too fast and putting some dramatic numbers that are significantly different. Now I'm just going to go to 60 around here. And as I said, the more dots you put, the easier it's going to be. I'm going to go to 250. And there it is. And 250, keep on going.